Hi nieces and nephews, it's Auntie back for a watermelon tutorial for all of those people that don't know how to pick a watermelon. You see people in there thumping and grumping and carrying on. Even sometimes they don't know what they're doing. So I'm going to show you what, the secrets. Look, I'm trying to maneuver things, guys, because I have my hand wrapped up. When you see this thumping thing, what they're doing is trying to listen to sound. Now the difference, I'm going to put this down, see if I can get you to listen to, see this sound? Sounds solid. Now if it was hollow, it would be a totally different sound. This is what you're listening for. Solid, a solid sound. That means this is a good baby. This is a good baby. You also want to turn your watermelon over. And you want to look at this stem. You see this stem has some greenery. Now if you see your stem is brown, dry rotted, and there's some liquid coming around that stem, leave that watermelon where it is, because when you get home you're going to have a nice personal juicer courtesy of the grocery store. And you see this stem has some greenery, it has a solid sound. This watermelon was $8.99. This is a good old country watermelon. It had seeds in it. And I also had, I always think of my kitty pot. Even though I tell you, got some good old soft pretzels. These are jumbo. So just want to give you guys, they don't allow filming in there. So Auntie can't go to jail for trespass warrant, just so she can get a video. Okay, so see you guys when I get home. I got some good things in store today. So until the next upload, love you guys. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Until next time, see you in the bed.